Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pinecone to a vector database for RAG pipeline step by step clearly. To connect Pinecone to a vector database for RAG pipelines, follow these steps. Begin by setting up your Pinecone account. Visit the Pinecone website and create an account if you don't have one. Log in to the Pinecone dashboard. Once logged in, create a new project for your RAG pipeline. After creating your project, you will need to generate an API key. Locate the API key section in your Pinecone dashboard. Copy the API key to a secure location for future use. Next, install the Pinecone client library. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command pip install Pinecone client to install it. Once installed, import the Pinecone module into your project code. Start by initializing the Pinecone client with your API key. Use the command import Pinecone in your code. Then call pinecone.init API_key equals your API_key, replacing your API_key with the key you copied earlier. Next, create a new index for your vector database. Use the command pinecone.create_index, your _index_name, replacing with your desired index name. Once the index is created, connect to it. Use the command index equals Pinecone index, your _index_name, to create an instance of your index. Now, prepare your data for the database. Ensure your data is in vector format, suitable for storing in Pinecone. Transform your raw data into vectors using your chosen model. After vectorizing your data, it's time to insert the vectors into Pinecone. Use the command index.upsert, vectors equals your _vector_data, where your _vector_data is a list of your vectors. Monitor the status of your upsert operation for any errors. Once your data is uploaded, test the connection with a simple query. Use the command index.query, queries equals your _query_vector, to verify functionality. Analyze the results returned by your query. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.